Yamwachi BM Samu Akwaba do Badum TV Badwam Jumedi so yeda Apostle Dr. Ni Teku Tegwase nim kransensem de edu so ne Badwam kase ensam no ne edikan wo mu bia wo beti ni osofo hwe environment science and technology so say eye abobuloshifo ye ba besi factory ama wo wahye won mobo yede honsam no so ebebro na fe yakọ osofo no hwe transport so wo se de obeye bia de atai maritime authority achi mu ye wadwuma ye so ode be ma won no nsem bi anope wo bete se Badwam kase a enidie mu hwe me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV tube kwadomonline.com sansemi ni bebre so ewo ho anope faseda mama Joy Trish won tadi ba konso ene hyemi mididi afia amankwa tamaklu afiani de wientie said and 70 mo ankasa etie osofo environment science and technology so Ibrahim Muntala Muhammad say wobehwe na waye factory wa bublushi ene wabo aprakwa akoshe ho ne yekoso ho ena odin semi etuda.
Yes, we are better looking if we can establish some factories here, and it's possible. Ministry of Environment, your foundries, system. Na you be producing not any sa.
Was sign at in some for say etuja efa anamontu a womo etuo e de abom se ne woma pomuden ebe konanim.
Na materials be so omon to main units omon burning the electrical materials by your internally if you like control burning system. Now omo the waste no by betuma a burning and then remove the copper so that we strike the difference of either the burning and also the pricing. The other one has to do with the debris after removing the copper, the waste materials, to disposing of. So we need to find a way, engage Zoom Lion and other, if you like, sanitation management, entities to see how we can do this. So what I will do is that your office will constitute a committee.
Also for transport, so Joseph Bukari. Ono so ashebo se na tena ye no behwe ne ombetumi bia de aboa Ghana Maritime Authority na wadwuma so ayeye.
The current government inherited an economy that we all know is not of the best that we can talk of. But the concentration is that how do we create jobs for our youth? And I know Ghana Maritime Authority should play a key role in some of these jobs that we need to create for our youth.
Dr. Kamaldeen Ali, Director General of the Ghana Maritime Authority, and Juma Wonum Edie Ewase Honomono, Wachire Muchire Swafono.
In our maiden meeting, management meeting, I requested that I wanted to know the key things that we must deliver in the next 3 months. I requested for that because I realized there will be so much to do. And if we don't have that in our view, before we realize we'll be reacting and it will become a reactionary management.
Chief Executive Officer, Ghana Investment Promotion Center, no Simon Maji, say ene waya crowd say won ene Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana, ebe ye dwuma bomu pa how bi a wo mo famu no mbehwe say won nyina beka wontia bom no wasiesie.
Prior before we come here, we have already sent a message out to congratulate your appointment. That the president has seen a good thing in you, the vast knowledge that you are bringing to contribute your quota for the 24-hour economic development, and for that matter, the maximization and the growth of the GIPC. We at Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana are a very strong advocate, as you rightly said, and we look forward to see and to support the GIPC in that direction in terms of advocating the areas. We will try to show you the area that we think that investment should go there, or if investors are coming to the country and are looking to partner, these are the areas that we think that can go along with to help.
Nanusi yape and I see wada Ghana Investment Promotion Center ano editu just say one madwen chira wadi ababe tu dwanyina no wajia tumu no obekọ so ani wonu madinsa woso no ehunu akwan pa obefa so edi dwuma.
We consider you a worthy partner in that cause. The saying goes that everywhere there's trade, investment follows.
Absolutely.
So I'm glad that today you've paid a courtesy call on us, We look forward to working with you and your team. Our objective here is to really open up the opportunities for businesses that are local and international to help our countries develop. You know, the priority of government now is also agribusiness. So let's see how we can get more investment into the agribusiness space, as well as help with the 24-hour economy.
Ejadifo ya womu wakwada so wood market so asantamanta mu na esu sempanifor mrameboa won. Na enu ntemuni na beto odwa se watena ye ho ahye ewi akire womu se kwa akwaje sika e wo so wotui ansa no wanya no omuntumi one Adom kase edi nkomwe.
Obi anim say ahye as a 4th January. First of you, and as our part said, the next week I said 2 weeks ago, 19th March, and I say January. It's 19th January. And I say, you know the cause of the fire. It's happened maybe a woman find it out. They would be in tear. The gun essay, and the idea. They say, yes, it's it. Sold by 15, 4,000. What no shot as I say with you. And he said, oh, mom, clock 10, we pay 400. I said, 10 years so I find out I the machines. Up him, sir. Nana, now Mr. Oboni Quati. Regional Minister, Mr. Oboni Quati, like I say. Now, show you quite a city bubble. Some no, some Pinamasadi, and you.
Before maybe I would say what 3 and boy be. Actually, one house, Adom Cassia.
They were one of my colors, see a business. Now, median since in the year 4,000, intimatria 240. And I'm the Jantra, a command and I say, no credit, Bikuta 10,000. Namin Chia movie, Namias can be a mapata.
Some not tree, I know what to say. Yes, sir. Now drop him when you say, no man for. You never be a year cook. You miss a bit assassin. Never cry, and pay for my way.
A Mansachi, I'm going to be requirement a santimantemu.
Yakwa kohesa ashimdie bekoso wo Boko Senior High School ne Boko Technical Institute entemu a ewi akire na asade abo ani dindindindin meka say enipa no mu bibe num won mu apra e wo mentime ho ase bia ekoso wo school fu emienu entem.
Enam sukufu a womo aboy ni ewo Boko no enam so ama traditional leaders ewo sampatemu ho akoya amamre sene sa mentimu ase a ekoso ewo ho etimi abawiye sa mentimu ase eyo sukufu a womo Boko Senior High School eni Boko Senior High Technical School na sukufu yi mentimu ase ba womo entem no enam so ama bimo edebo ehwe womo eyonkono ma na enya asem keto akra enam so ama sukufu yi ebimo eprae na asojafo ebepie mu ewo saa empatemu ho ehwe se asumdie ebeba ho saa sukufu yi ayeka omo asemi ekwan eda womo entem ewo Boko na womo atwe saa manso no achepa saa mentimu ase enyene ene hyaase.
Secretary Dima Greater Accra Scrap Dealers Association ye Mohammed Ali na ene wose na adihye yi asakọ abobuloshia nyese obi na ma won mutumi na momta won atena fiache a wonya adwuma yenti na aban yi baye won makọ a okoreso benya bibie edi.
The Honorable Minister, the Regional Minister was sitting just behind the street under a canopy and was enjoying what was going on. That there is a change in government, which they saw some positive, things in this government. That was what motivated them to move to this field, and then you saw what you are saying. But we didn't do it with the intention that we have any authority to do anything.
Odi ninsem etudwa ewiye no Adom News in Central 4 ene osoafo no etwetwe nkomo ebisa ne se bebia enuanom yi akọ ebo wo mu structures yi edien ana wo ye ede afawo odi tudwa se enye na sedie so tuso anamon na emum eya soya womo enehwe eye local government ene sese womo etusa anamon no
enye me ministry juma. My concern as a minister for environment to find out how we can stop the burning, but our responsibility as to where they settle no, it is not my responsibility, so I can't speak to that. Mine is just to look at how we can prevent the burning of some materials, any other rubbish to prevent it. But the responsibility to determine whether they can still be here or they don't need to be here is not within my control.
Aminya no so na kasia na hana bema kwan na yediesie yeda semre ne adaje awde maye wadaroma se wo kode ya hwen wo YouTube Adom TV tube na Facebook /Adom TV extra yekwaba do bonkrata no ene online de na yekrado no yede toso